see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Pre-Market Prep here with me, Kaler. We're going to be going over some charts like we normally do every single morning here, talking about what's going on, giving you some ideas, not giving you advice on what to buy or when to buy, just telling you what we think is going on in the marquitos here. So the market we have, let me get this on a little different chart here for visual needs. So that was an hour. This is a 45 minutes. I just like this one. So you see here triple bottom, 1, 2, 3, and then, what are we going to do here? Are we going to go down? I wrote down in my notes yesterday 426 and then 421 on the SPY were my targets for the downside if I was short this market, if it broke support. We've pretty much gotten there, and now it's time to see if we can break past that and get down to the 460.26. If we don't, 431 is my target today. 431 to 432 should be the relative range that I see looks important to me on the technical analysis, writing that down. 432.07 to be exact. You see why here, 431.70 in that area. We see this to be a support level and going to be where it consolidates, in my opinion. If we don't break down lower, watch for it to break 426. If you're a bull and you want it to go higher, then you need to go above 435. 434 and break out and get you back up above to 445. So 435 to 445. So that can be your bull case. 435. Writing that down. 445. But if you're a bear like me at this moment, I'm feeling a little bearish, feeling like it's not going to be a buy the dip mentality every single time we dip. Watching for what did we say? 421, 426 on the SPY starting yesterday. We're there. We're getting there. Let's see if it continues. Smash that like as you guys come in. Please give me a little love. Drop a comment if you're on the YouTube channel. Let us know what you're trading today. If you're on the Facebook channel, sorry, but I can't see you, but I still love you. Good morning. And let's pull up a couple more charts here. Baba on the list, on the radar. Took a dip all the way down here, so we've got a big move. But the move that I'm watching now is one that's already happened on the 45-minute chart. So what I'll show you is you got a move from here, which is 153.87, down to 139.19. So let me see here, 153 to 140, we'll call it. So now we're looking to get to about right in this area, 145-ish. And we tried, but then the market didn't help us out today, this morning, so we're getting that flush down. So let's see if we can hold support. 138 is where I would put a bid in to buy with a tight stop loss of about 50 cents to $1 to the downside. So I'll be looking at 138 bid. And then if it breaks there, then that's just going to be my time to get out. I think that if we don't get down there, then you can maybe go a little more aggressive around the 139, 140 range. But take a look at Baba and you'll see what we mean on that one as well. So, 141 to 144. Needed to break out of that 144 to hit 148. If you want to see the visual, what I'm looking at, okay, you have here. These are the key areas. There. 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 And then now, let's zoom out. And the reason why we zoom out is because we want to see previous movement, previous price action. So this is all over with, in my opinion. It's gone, except for when it comes back into play. So now, is it back into play? Here. Dotted line. So 144.59. Realistic target on Baba. 144.59 for a day trade. Writing that down. Writing that down. All right, let's go to Ford. All righty. Ford, you're at my level. You've touched it. 14, 13, 14, 11 is how I wrote 14, 13, 14, 11. All right, so where are we at coming up? So 1480, a trip all the way down. Could it happen if it breaks here? I don't think it's going to break that, though. I think that's going to be your major support. But look, boom. You got multiple levels all the way down. You can see 1, 2, 3. So it's literally 1280, 13, 1320, 1340, 1361, 1378. It's just climbed and climbed and climbed. And then it went, I want to get up there. I want to get up there. And it goes, nope. Now you're hanging out here too long. Lower it goes, in my opinion. 1359 on Ford. 1359 on Ford. Writing it down. X, you've got a base here. You're forming a base consolidation station on the rise. Higher lows. Broke down here to 2140. Thought it was going to rip and roar and tear. It didn't. So now do we see a lower low section down? I mean, it looks like all these people were looking to go long, and now they're just going to take you down one more level on most of these companies. They're going to take you down, take away your calls, make you give up on them, sell them, take your loss on the chin, and then they're going to rip these babies back to where it was the day you bought them. 45, 44, going down to $40.55. If it goes down lower, you might see 43 for support. Checking 43, check microphone, check 43 on MGM. $43. Watch for that one. So we've given you Baba, Spy, MGM, X, Ford. Those are the trades for the day. Let us know if you need anything else in the Discord today. I'm going to pull up and see what's in our movers and shakers list for this morning. Pull this up for you here. Good morning, Nick. You got the top WSB Wall Street Bets tickers. This is how many times they were mentioned at the time of today at 8:46 a.m. SPY with 2488, Palantir 656, SDC 341. Down here, IRNT, the one that your boy's been talking about, up to 37. We're getting there. I think IRNT is going to be higher on this list. I think this is one that could take a run, but I do own some IRNT, so I don't want to be talking my book there too much. So going to pre-market losers, CEI, Cambridge Energy, getting the 50% drop off of the short report. Looks like they are going to be in the dumps for a little while here. Some of those people up there at $4 that they bought this thing at when it was in the meme hype, Sorry about your luck. You are not feeling good over the last 3 days. MANU, Manchester United, on that same thing. DVD, PALT, HESM, DATS, PETS, PETZ, REDU. If anything sounds familiar to you, then you're not doing well this morning. VYGR, Voyager, going up 50% of pre-market. All right, LMFA, laughing. Oh, never mind. LMFA, LM funding up 18%, $5.26 off of 445. Acer, ACER up 15% off of 249 up to 288, VLN up 11%, and RGC up 11%. So, looking at these on the list here, go ahead and jump to the Discord. It's in the chat, or sorry, it's in the description. If you want a link, let us know. We'll drop it in the comments there for you below as well if you can't find it in the description. But this is some of the stuff you can find here. Tesla took a $7 hit. That's what we were talking about this morning. Top news that came out of American Airlines. JetBlue downgraded. Netflix stock slips. You can see we were talking about the Merck flow, watching to see what was going on here. And as you can see, they did pretty good over the last couple weeks. And then you have the unusual option activity. Let's pull that up and see what's going on with that actually. All right, so you have WPM on that list, QS, KSS, Netflix, Tesla, PBF, DVN, KISS, KSS, Upstart, UPST, Roblox on that list, RBLX, Oxy, Myrna. They're all calls and puts. Gives you the strikes, the volume, the open interest, the IV, implied volatility. The open interest is the OI, and then the volume is the V. Expiration, and then your volume to interest ratio, open interest ratio. So watching these might be some movers. So stay blessed, stay green, stay awesome. Keep watching the show. Keep coming back. Let us know if you need anything from us. If you're looking to join the group, we will set you